Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mills. I wanted to film a quick intro for this video. Don't worry, it's not me looking like this the whole time. This is a continuation of the video that I did with Christina, kind of a day in the life teaching in Santiago at a private school. And she kind of did what I did. She teaches a full grade rather than just teaching English, for example. And we just wanted to show you what a day in her life is like, what it's like teaching at a private school in Santiago. She teaches at one of the more popular ones, I would say, especially for like international students, or kind of it's a little bit pricey, so it's definitely a higher level school. Sorry that I look like this. As you guys know, if you follow me, I just had a baby a week and a half ago, so looking pretty rough, but he's so cute, so it's worth it. Remember, any questions that you have for Christina about teaching abroad, teaching in Santiago, living in Santiago, her lifestyle, pros and cons, really anything, comment below, because we're going to do an interview sitting down together, and we'll answer any of the questions that you have, especially for those of you who are interested in teaching abroad, life in Santiago, or in DR in general, and maybe even if you're a parent looking at a school and wanting to know more about the school that she teaches at. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that video or any others. And thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi guys, my name is Christina and I am from Indiana in the US. Currently I live in Santiago, the Dominican Republic. I teach English and social studies for 3rd and 4th grade at an elementary school that I'm going to be showing you around in a little bit. Today I'm going to be filming kind of a day in the life so you can see a little bit of what it's like to live and teach abroad right now during this pandemic. I'm also going to show you things like my walk to the school, the gym, my house, and all of that good stuff. So I thought I would show you guys the awesome uniform that I get to wear every single day. It's this, I think it looks like a Boy Scout personally. It's this like navy polo and then these awesome beige, whatever, khaki type things. And yeah, I think I look like a student or a Boy Scout whenever I have to wear this, but it does make getting dressed in the morning very quick. So this is 4th grade. This is my classroom that I'm typically in. And yep, pretty standard. There's AC, which is really nice, although that has been broken like the entire time I was here and they just fixed it, so that's been nice to have. Okay, this is kind of cheating. As you can tell, this is a different day, but I realized I had never filmed a little bit about the school itself, so you should have just seen me walk to school and see like the process of getting in and all of that. So I work at a private school in Santiago. It's pretty popular, highly rated, and it's pretty pricey. The population is definitely higher class that comes here. The school goes from pre-K all the way to high school. A lot of the students will end up going to college in Canada or the US afterwards. So I'm going to show you some of my online classes, some of my hybrid classes, and then a little tour of the school itself. It's pretty big though, so I don't know if I'll be able to show everything, but I wanted to explain a little bit about the school itself before you saw the next few clips. Okay, so I am officially done with classes for today. I have a meeting with a parent of one of my students at 2:30, so unfortunately I'm not like done, but I'm going to take this time to show you guys a little bit of the school. It's honestly quite large and there's people everywhere, and I don't want them to think that I'm being weird, so I might not be able to show you the entire thing, but I'll try and show you the majority of it. So let's go. so I got done with work at like 2:30. I came back, I charged my phone for a little bit, and I'm about to head to the gym. So I'll film my walk there, and I'll film a little bit inside. I go to a gym called Exercise. It's in Los Jardines if you are in the Santiago area. It's super nice. I like it. It is really cheap also for how good it is, in my opinion. If you get like a basic plan, there's different plans that you can get. I just have the basic one, so I'm gonna go do that for like an hour, and then I will see what else I get up to.